Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all students? I hope you'll be fine in the best condition of health and iman. Inshallah. I'm also quite well by the grace of Allah. Welcome to Dar-e-Arqam School, Faisalabad region. Students, first of all raise your hand for dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani wa yafqahu qawli Rabbi zidni ilma Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen ya rabbul alameen. Students, take out your English book from your bag. Yes, good. Look at the board. Lecture number 10, subject English. Lecture number 10, subject English. And open the book page number 16. Today we read half next page. Are you ready, students? The topic of this page is use of these. Use of these. Use of these. Okay. Students, where we use these? I already told you where we use this. We use this for a singular object and that is near to us. And today our topic is use of these. Where we use these? We use these for the objects that are more than one and they are near to us. And they are near to us. Clear? We use these for the objects that are more than one and they are near to us. For example, I have marker, two marker. And what we use for this object? These. These are markers and these are plural. Good. And they are near to me. And they are near to me. Clear, students? Let's start reading. These are rats. These are rats. A rat is a plural object. Rats are plural. So that's why we use here these. These are object, rats. Rats are plural objects. So we use here word these. These are rats. These are rats. Now I show you two rats. I have two rats. Look at here, students. Yes, these are rats. These are rats. 1, 2, 2. And these are rats. Good. Okay, put your finger on next line. These are cups. These are cups. Cups. These are cups. I show you a cup. 1 and 2. These are cups. These are cups. These are cups. How many cups are in my hand? 1, 2, 2, 2. And cups are a plural object. So that's why we use here these. These are cups. These are books. These are books. These are books. These are books. Books is books. This subject is plural, so that's why we use here word these. Books, books. These are books. Now I show you an example of books. Yes, 1 and 2. 2. These are books. These are books. Students, you know very well where we use these. We use these for the objects that are more than one and they are near to us. They are near to us. These are books and they are near to me. So that's why we use here these, not a this. We use this for a singular objects and it's near to me, and we use these for our plural objects and more than one and they are near to us. Clear, students? Good. These are, yes, ducks. These are ducks. These are ducks. These are ducks. I show you a very pretty and beautiful ducks. Yes, 1 and 2. These are ducks. These are ducks. Ducks. Clear? We use these for the objects that are more than one and they are near to us. So we use here these are ducks. Clear, students? Good. Okay, now put your finger on last line. Yes, these are, yes, good. Tell me, rings. Good, excellent. These are rings. These are rings. These are rings. These are rings. Student, I show you a rings. 1 and 2. 2 rings. 2 rings. These are rings. These are rings. We use these for the objects that are more than one and they are near to us. These are rings. Clear, students? Now, students, repeat this lesson with me. Today we read here the use of these. Use of these. Now, you tell me where we use these. Yes, good. Okay, I repeat this topic. We use these for the object that more than one and they are near to us. We use these for the objects that are more than one and they are near to us. Clear, students? Okay, let's start reading. Once again, these are rats. These are rats. These are cups. These are cups. These are books. These are books. These are ducks. These are ducks. These are rings. These are rings. These are rats. These are cups. These are books. These are ducks. And these are rings. Now, students, you learned next half page of book page number 16. You learned it very well, students. Yes, good. You are a good students. Students, now open the workbook, English workbook. Yes. And take a pencil in your hand. And open the page number 38. Workbook page number 38. And topic is use of these. Look at here, there are many pigs and we make a sentences by using these. According to pigs, we make a sentences by using these. Are you ready, students? Okay, good. First Pigs. Yes, rats. And how many rats? 1, 2. 2 rats. So we make a sentence by using these. Yes, these are rats. Because there are 2 rats and rats are plural, so we write here word these. These are rats. These are rats. Okay, look at the next picture. What is it? Yes, good. Cups. We make a sentences by using these. Yes, these are cups. Clear, students? There are 2 cups, so that's why we use these. These are cups. Next pick. Yes, books. Okay, count with me how many books are there. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 books. So we use this picture, make a sentence by using these. Okay, these are, yes, books. Good. These are books. After completion of the sentence, we mark a full stop here. Good. Students, now tell you where we use these. Yes, we use these for the objects. Is it right? Yes. How many books are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write here only book? No, books. Yes, good. Books. And we now mark a full stop at the end. How many ducks are there? Yes, 1, 2. 2 ducks. These are plural objects. Clear, students? So we use word these for these objects. Where we use these? We use these for the objects that are more than one and they are near to us. Clear, student? Okay. These are, yes, duck. Is it right? No, because there are 2 ducks, so we write here S for plural. Clear, students? These are ducks. Now students, repeat this lesson with me. Are you ready? Good. Topic is use of these. I repeat the definition of these. We use these for the objects that are more than one and they are near to us. For example, these are cups and these are plural and they are near to me. So we say there, these are cups. Let's start. According to pigs, we make a sentences by using these. There are 2 rats. We make a sentences by using these. These are rats and they are near to me, near to us. These are cups. There are 2 cups, plural. So that's why we use here these. These are cups and they are near to me or near to us. Next, books. Books. These are books. These are books. Ducks. 1, 2. Ducks. These are ducks. These are ducks. These are rats. These are cubs. These are books. And these are ducks. Students, do this practice on rough register and workbook and look at the below page number 38. There are word build a dictation word to do the practice. It's a revision and take yourself. Fi amanillah.